Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to resize app icons on iPhone to bigger. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and press and hold your iPhone screen. Then you should see all the application wiggling. Locate and click on Edit at the top left. Then go ahead and click on Customize. Then once you click on Customize, come to where you say Customize. Then you can choose between dark mode or light mode and then clear. Now to increase your app icon size to bigger, click on this icon at the top right. Then you should see the app icons changed. Then click outside. Now if you go ahead and check your app icons, then you should see them bigger than it was. Now to return back to the smaller app icon size, all you simply need to do is press and hold the screen, click on Edit, click on Customize. Then select the small or large icon size at the top right. Then you have it back like this. So that's exactly how to resize app icons on iPhone to bigger. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.